I'm really excited to share this project with you. A beautiful Christmas card that you can make with your cutting machine. Thank you for joining us here on our channel. This download includes SVG and Studio formats. You can use the file with Cricut, Silhouette Cameo, Laser Cut, and other similar machines. As usual, I'll be working in Cricut Design Space with the SVG file that includes score lines. Once the SVG is uploaded, open the Layers panel on the right. Locate the score line and change the operation from cut to score. Now select the score line along with the pocket card. You'll see it highlighted in light blue, and then click Attach. That's it, the project is ready to cut. Click Make It. I arrange my layers to make the best use of my cardstock, and I sometimes use the mirror function. This step is optional. For this project, I'm using the setting cardstock for intricate cuts, along with the scoring stylus. I'm working with pearl cardstock in different weights and colors, as well as silver mirror cardstock. Some quick tips. Use a cutting mat with good adhesion. Make sure your blade is sharp. Today I'm using heavier cardstock, around 90 to 100 pounds. Once all the layers are cut, it's time to assemble. Fold along the score lines and reinforce the folds with a bone folder. Place the main card with a Merry Christmas text inside the pocket. We've included a small guide mark to help position the card correctly. The star also has a guide mark that should align with the mark on the card. Assemble the star by joining its two layers. Then attach it with a thin strip of double-sided tape, following the guide mark. Apply glue on the tabs and close the bottom and right side of the pocket. Check that the star slides smoothly through the slot. Now let's assemble the Christmas tree. Glue the tree layers from bottom to top. Attach the tree to the pocket card using double-sided tape. We've included 2 guide marks to help you place the tree correctly. Add the ornaments on top of the tree, following the design image from the longest to the shortest. And that's it, the card is finished. When you slide the star, it should move into place at the very top of the tree. As a bonus, we've also included an envelope template for 5x7-inch cards in this download. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and join us for more creative projects you can make with your cutting machine, especially these beautiful Christmas designs.